remaining in deadlift to row. Okay, let's do this one. So here we go. G, can I borrow you real quick? Put your hand through here like this. Okay, this is the one you row. Here, find your distance. Engage the intrinsic core muscles. Articulate at the hip. So I don't want you to do a single leg squat. I want it to be a hip hinge. So you activate your glutes on this side. Okay, so let's do that again. So activate the glute on this side. Lengthening the glute now shortening the glute as you're working on the latissimus dorsi on the right side. All happy?
Yeah.
Let's give that a go, mate.
Can you elevate the left leg?
You want, absolutely, yeah. If that's what you need to maintain your balance. Remember, this is close kinetic chain stability, but also working and isolating. So, arm straight. As you go down, arm is going to be straight forward. Yes, let's do this again. Come up. Arm straight, arm straight. So go back a little bit to give you some resistance on that. There you go. So let's go down into your RDL. Okay. Now as you come up from there, row back. Row back, fully extend the hip. Go down again, really reach, a little bit more flexion to knee. Hip hinge, hip hinge. Keep that nice neutrality of the spine. Come back up, and now pull. Good, nice job. So that's your movement pattern. So grab a band, and let's try that out, teammate. Away you go. Grab a band. It's much more versatile in case you go to somebody's home and you don't have dumbbells or kettlebells, but you do have a band. You now know how to attach the band. It doesn't have to be a big resistance or heavy resistance. How's that feel? All good?
Yeah.
Do you prefer that over the dumbbell or the dumbbell?
Yeah, no, I like this one better. Yeah, I like this
Okay.
one better. It's more dynamic for sure.
The angle of his feet.
I know he's good because he's not doing a hip extension in the back one. He's actually doing a hip extension on the way up, on the left leg.
So that doesn't matter.
No, this is the leg.
Back.
Push. So just focus on this leg here. Push up as you pull.
You're gonna have to dig your feet
As you
in so
pull.
you don't like fall
There
over.
On the left, it's just like you're doing a row on this side, and you're doing an RDL on the other side.
Make sure the pulling your hamstring.
Your arms can be straight all the way down.
From there,
Arms straight all the way down.
pulling your elbow.
Now as you come up, pull.
I got these.
There you go. You're right.
Oh, okay.
And then repeat.
Because one's real light and one's kind of. So it's this way.
Check leg. Pero sabi na saya.
Okay, yes, because it's possible.
I'm a bigger
Lean
fan.
back. I'm putting my seat on. There you go. Up. Bring and squeeze.
It's a good strategy.
I don't think I touched you. Do you feel it?
Good job, Lewis. Balance stability on that side, it seems.
Yeah.
Hip, coupled secondarily with your hamstrings and your latissimus dorsi. There you go. That's as good as it gets right there.
I love it.
Did you take a little picture of him doing that?
Oh yeah, I'm getting them right now.
Good stuff, mate. Hollywood on Monday.